Hi everybody, I'm Mike Patrick and I'm the Summit Operations Director. I'm out here today on the site with Bonsai Design. We just had an incredible experience with the bonsai builders and designers going on the Gold Canopy Tour. That tour is the longest and the highest of all the tours that we have here. And 85 days from Jamboree, we're getting to test out some of the exciting activities that the Scouts are going to get to do. We're zipping through the trees, incredible views, hemlock trees, oak trees, birch, hickory trees, 90 feet above the Hamilton Creek. Just a gorgeous experience. So we're getting it all ready. 85 days, it'll be here waiting for you. So go big and get wild at the 2013 National Scout Jamboree.